we'll guide you through how to rotate objects in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop and navigate to the canvas where your object is located. Select the object you want to rotate by clicking on it. Once selected, you'll see arrows around the object. These are the rotation handles to rotate the object. You simply need to click and drag these arrows. You can rotate the object freely by moving your mouse in the direction you want the object to turn. For more precise rotations, hold down the control key while rotating. This will constrain the rotation to 15-degree increments, allowing for more accuracy. If you need to specify an exact angle, go to the menu and click on Object and choose Transform. In the Transform panel, select the Rotate tab. Here, you can enter the exact angle you want in the angle box. You can even choose the center of rotation by adjusting the X and Y coordinates. Once you've set the desired angle and rotation center, click Apply to rotate the object. Remember, you can always undo any changes using the Ctrl+Z shortcut. If you make a mistake, this flexibility ensures you can experiment with different rotations without worry. Rotating objects in Inkscape is a straightforward process that can really enhance your design capabilities, giving you the freedom to position elements exactly how you want them. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.